Hi, I'm Joanne Mariel Palisoc, and in this video, I am going to teach you about one of the most useful tools in teaching, which is XMIND. XMIND is an application that can be downloaded in your Android phones or iPhone and can also be accessed online. Here are some of the uses of XMIND for travel plans, resume, and etc. If you're going to open the app, this is how it would look like. Create a map, select the add button, and then create a new map. And it will lead you to this blank map. Then if you will click the central topic, it will lead you to edit, copy, paste. If you will click the paint button, it will lead you to these settings. On the other hand, these are some of the options that you could use in order to add branches in your mind map. Moreover, you can also use these tools to create connections between two branches. It's very easy, right? Now, let's apply these. For example, I want to teach my UCSP students about the social groups. To give them an illustration of this concept, I'd like to make a mind map showing the different social groups and its examples. Now, I will create my own map. Central topic would be social groups. Social groups. There you go. Now, I will proceed to making branches of this topic. I will put main topic 1 as the primary groups. Oh, wrong spelling. Primary groups. There you go. To add a second branch or second main topic, it would be another type of social group, which would be the secondary groups. Secondary groups. Now, there's also another type of social group, which is the reference group. Oh, R. Reference group. There you go, reference groups. And after that, I have to put examples of these types of groups. For primary groups, I would include family. Yes, that's right, family. And another one would be childhood friends, I guess. Best friends. Alright. There you go, best friends or childhood friends. Yes, that's right, childhood friends. While for secondary groups, what example could it be? Project group mates. Oh, this one's very relatable for us nowadays. Research group mates. There you go. How about for the reference groups? Oh, I guess I also need to include another example of secondary group. That would be, faculty members. Yes. That would be great. While for the reference groups, I think there are still two more specific branches of these. The in groups and the out groups, so I have to put it there too. Oh, that's right. Another one, out groups. There you go, out groups. But after putting these two specific types, I have to put an example of these. So for in groups, what would be the best example for that? Oh, K-pop or K-drama fans. Oh, my fellow fans, yes. I identify myself with them. And just for an example of an out group, I think that would be American pop culture or Western pop culture fans, because I don't really like those type of content. But no offense, please. So there you go. Now I have a mind map that would best represent the concept that I have to teach my students. But I would also like to change its structure, so Let me choose from these available options. This? No, this? It's just the same. It looks messy. Well, okay, so there you go. This looks best among the others. Should I change the shape? No. No, I think it doesn't suit these. So let's just put it the same way as it is. So yeah, there you go. Now, to save the mind map that we created, click the three dots at the right side, then share. Now, you can now choose the format on how you would like your mind map to be saved. That's all. Thank you.